Alright, so it's getting pretty dark already, so I'm gonna have to hurry up a little bit. Right now I'm attaching his gauntlet, or his forearm protector, and just some designs here and there. It's actually supposed to be smooth and not glittery, but I think this looks better for a figure, right? A glowing gauntlet, that definitely looks sick. Alright, now next thing I need to add is some more glitter around the handle and this wrap thing, and some tubes back there, so I'll quickly do that. Alright, so I've got this much all complete with the rest and stuff. So next up what I'm gonna do is add some glitter lines across there. So I'm going to do that is by first sticking one of the pieces like that, then leave a little gap, oh, this is not as easy as I expected. Anyways, so I'm gonna make it go all the way back. Like this. Alright, so I need to add one final decoration piece, which is this cylinder at the back. So let's quickly put it in place. So right over there. Okay. We'll take off 2 pieces of glitter, stick it in there, and then add them back like that. And there you go, just like that, we've got our cylinders in place as well, and it's looking pretty nice. Alright, now the final thing, the most final thing we need to do right now is the head. So this is also probably the most complicated part of the entire project. So we are going to cut out some of the head like this. And we just have to roll this along the top right there, like that. Take it off. And tape it. So before we put it back in there, we want to add the designs. Just like that. And let's add the eye. Put it up top like that. And secure it in place. From the back side. And finally we are ready to squish the top part right like that. I squished it too much. Let's redo it. And once you have this kind of structure done, you can simply cut off the excess bits and pieces like that. And finally tape it in there. We've got ourselves the world action figure in 30 minutes. That's not bad, but it did take more than that for me. Just the video took 30 minutes. Alright, let's unsquish these cylinders and we're back to the awesomeness. There you go. So we can hit the muda punches, because arms flexible, it can move forward, backward. Joint works, legs work as well, up, down, and you can bend, head turns, kind of. And yeah, I think that's about. Oh, I forgot one more thing. I need to add a heart right at the chin. Let me quickly do that. Okay, there it is, our final product. And while making this, I just had an epiphany. I made a realization that the world actually kind of looks like an ancient Egyptian Wolverine of some sort. I don't know, just look at him. Alright, so yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.